Good morning, students. Today we will start a chapter number 4, which is role of substances in environment. Okay, so in our environment, there are various elements and compounds present. Okay, like in our Earth crust, there are many essential elements and many essential compounds which are present in our Earth crust. Some of them, some major element which is present in our Earth crust. These are first of all is oxygen. Oxygen is like 46.6%. Okay. Next, silicon. Acha, you read the formula of this element also. Okay, oxygen is O, silicon is Si. Okay, so silicon Si is almost 27.7%. Aluminium, which is Al, it is of 8.1%. Then iron, which is the symbol is Fe, it almost 5%. Then calcium symbol is Ca, which is almost 3.6%. Sodium, it is Na, 2.8%. Potassium, K, it is of 2.6%. And magnesium, Mg, it is of 2.1%. So you don't need to learn all the percentage here, but you should know this oxygen percentage of oxygen. It is because it is the most abundant. You can see this 46.6%. It is most abundant element in our earth crust, which is present in our earth crust. Okay, so some six the so there are major 8 elements which is present in our earth crust, and this is almost 98.5%. These 8 elements are covered. This 98.5% of the total elemental composition in our earth crust. Okay, so from these 8 elements, 6 elements are metallic elements which are present in the silicate compound. Silicate compound means the compound which are infused with silicon. Okay, so there are six major elements, six metal elements like aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, magnesium, and silicon. Okay, so these 6 elements which are present in a silicate compounds in our earth crust. Okay. So next at first. So these are the elements which is present in our earth crust. Now we will know about some elements which are present in our body, which is essential in our human body. So first of all, we would know the essential elements of our body. So you know the difference of element and compound. So the essential elements of our life of human body is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Okay, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Four these four elements are majorly present in our body. Of these four, carbon is the most abundant element which is present in our body. Carbon is the most abundant element which is present in our body. Okay, so now we would move to the compound. Some essential compounds which are found in our human body. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen forms the water H2O. Okay, so you can see oxygen and this is oxygen. This was present in our essential element also. Uh, Oxygen and hydrogen. See, hydrogen and oxygen. These are the elements present in our body, and this form the compound which is H2O, water, which is present 70% of our body mass. Our body mass, 70% of our body mass is covered by water. Okay, and you all know little bit what are the major functions of water. First of all, distribute the nutrients. Water helps to distribute the nutrients which we get from the food. Um, Water distribute all over our body, over the cell. Okay. Then, second, remove harmful toxins. Water helps to remove the harmful toxins which are produced by our cell, and remove them by urine. Ah, so these are the this is one major function of water. Okay. Next in next is helps in digestion. Okay, so water helps in digestion by bowel movement. Okay, so more, if you take more water, the digestion will be smoother, the digestion will be faster. Okay, so water helps in digestion also. Then by sweating, water helps to regulate our body temperature. Okay, by sweating, water is removed from the body, and it is and it takes some harmful toxins also from our body. By doing so, water helps to regulate our body temperature also. Okay, by removing excess temperature. Okay. Next is, so we have seen the major elements which is present in our body: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Some The most important element which we have wrote, um, the water, hydrogen, hydrogen and oxygen forms the water. And next we will know about some major compounds which is um, formed by carbon. Okay, first of all, it's carbohydrate. First of all, it's carbohydrate. Next is lipid, you can say. Next is protein, and lastly it's nucleic acid. Okay, carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, this is a very important compound which is in our body, um, which is formed by carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And what is the function of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is the primary energy source of our body. If we don't get carbohydrate, we have no energy. We can't do any work, we can't do anything. Okay, so it is the main energy source of our body, like glucose. Okay, if we feel so tired, we drink a glass of glucon d and we'll get energized. Okay, so it is basic. Glucose is a pure carbohydrate. Okay, simple carbohydrate. So this is the function of carbohydrate. Next is lipid. Lipid is the fat and oils in our body. Okay, it is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, and it is the energy storage and provide insulation of our body. Okay, lipid stores the energy for us. If we starve for 1 week or 2 weeks, we will not die. We will get weaker, but we will not die, because then the lipids will break down and gives us energy. Okay, because it stores the energy, and um, it helps to provide insulation in our body. Like, more lipid, it will provide more temperature in our it keeps the temperature in our body. Okay, it kind of insulation in our body. So lipid is the energy storage and provide insulation, but extra lipid, extra fat, it also harmful for our body. Okay, so this is the function of lipids. Next, proteins. Proteins are composed of amino acid. The amino acid it is the basic unit of proteins. Okay, this amino acid is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. So carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sometimes sulfur also. These four or five elements firstly form the amino acid, then this amino acid form the protein. There are few steps in between them, but you need to know now. So these amino acids form the proteins. Okay, so what are the functions of protein? Protein is the primary building block of our body. So if we don't get protein, we can't grow muscle, we can't grow. Okay, so proteins are the primary building block of our body. So next is, protein protects our body from what? From harmful viruses, bacteria, harmful toxins, by which is called, antibody or immunoglobulin. Okay, so antibodies and immunoglobulins, these are protein actually. So what is the function of antibody? Antibody helps to protect our body from viruses, bacteria, harmful things. Okay, so this is one function of protein, very important function. Next is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid, it is of two types, DNA and RNA. Nucleic acid, it is also made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus also is there. Okay, so this is nucleic acid. So nucleic acid, this is of two types. One is DNA, another is RNA. The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, and the full form of RNA is ribonucleic acid. And what is the function of these two or the whole nucleic acid? This is the genetic material of our body. What does it mean? Genetic material. Genetic material means these nucleic acids carry forward our genetic characteristics or our characteristics from one generation to another generation, like from our parents to us, from us to our children. The nucleic acid carry forward our characteristics or the genetic uh, characteristics from one generation to another generation. Okay, so these are the major elements and compounds present in our body. Previously we have learned about the essential composition or essential elements present in the earth crust. So till then we will mark some question. So this is your chapter 4. I have covered till page number page number 119. Page number 119 before 4.2. Okay, okay, 4 before 4.2 till 100, page number 190. Okay, so now we'll mark some question answer from the last of the chapter. The question answer from the topic I have learned today. We have learned today. So from page number 139, page number 139, mark question number 1. Then question number, next page, question number, page number 140, question number 2, 4, 6, 7. Go to next page, page number 141, mark question number 1, 2, 3. Then 5, 6, 11. Go to next page, page number 143, mark question number 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Then go to page number 144, this 144, mark question number 1, 2, 3. Then go to page number 146, page number 146, question number 1 and 2. Okay, page number 146, question number 1 and 2. These questions are based on today's topic. Okay, so learn the questions and we'll discuss further from the next class. Okay.